Kinda-ish. It's on the 14th of August, yeah, during the Skylimit Events track day. Make sure to stop by because I'll be actually doing taxi laps with the Polo. Yes, for 99 euros you can have a taxi lap with me in the Polo. Right, good morning comrades, or actually good evening, or good afternoon in this case. Today is Friday the 24th, as you could have seen. DF started at 4 o'clock today, so thank you Nürburgring for making it happen. Taxis are full of progress. I already did some laps with the Polo. More people are getting in. So, as of today, Brunchen parking lot is open again. And it was so cool to be driving on track and seeing like so many spectators already there. Now the main car park is not open yet, so main TF car park, but it doesn't matter. It's actually, we realized that running taxis from here kind of makes sense. It's maybe something that we will maintain doing because it's so much cooler having all the people here at Apex. When the sun is shining, we're gonna have like a seating area. We already have a seating area over there, but we'll have something more. And yeah, it's so much, you know, community feeling, so much cooler.
We'll definitely give this a little bit of fuel once you switch over to the M3 because those are back to back.
Ooh, nice color. How's it going?
Great.
Great. Got some good pictures?
Yeah, always.
Always. What camera are you running? That's the A7.
A7R2.
R2.
This one. Yeah.
Nice, nice,
By the
nice.
time we even got to T30, I'm like, how's he doing this? He's fucking nuts.
Ooh, I like that. The Volvo. I'll be driving a Polestar 2. The Polestar 1 video, by the way, did very good. So thank you very much for everyone who watched it and who enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to drive the Polestar 2. Yeah. Have fun.
Yes, you with the GT3.
GT2.
GT2.
Not 3, GT2.
We are looking forward.
Okay, have fun.
I like your channel.
Thank you very much. We're here now with the 620R. I must say, I start to appreciate the car like on an optical level. It's so much better. Like from factory, they're being delivered with some like weird ass stickers. I'm sorry, McLaren, but if you would try to appeal to racers, then maybe yes. But like when you have this car clean in such a way, and especially now with the subtle matte black stickers, so much better. Yes. Well, I'll have to wait a few weeks, maybe even a few months until I can experience this car because only Robert is driving it until he's back from Italy. Well, when he's gonna be back from Italy, I will not be here. There's only one time when we will be together, kinda-ish. It's on the 14th of August, yeah, during the Skylimit Events track day. So make sure to stop by because I'll be actually doing taxi laps with the Polo. Yes, for 99 euros you can have a taxi lap with me in the Polo. Nice turbo.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Is it Turbo S or Turbo?
It's a turbo.
Turbo, but it's with the manual I saw.
Yeah. Oh wait.
Nice. Well, they don't make them like that anymore, huh? Cool.
Car graphic tune and exhaust. Balloons, coilovers.
And smells nice too in terms of being used, so I think you're giving it the beans, huh?
I do my best.
Cool. You know what's funny, I kind of realized that the headlights of the Mini are kind of, well, not exactly similar, but alike. Very cool stance. Do you want to swap tires?
No,
Hello.
good.
Okay. Then have fun. Huh?
I was a bit startled then.
Oh, okay.
The whole camera. I'm not used to seeing the phone.
Yeah, it's a camera upgrade
Real
after 5
thing.
years. Oh, by the way, congratulations, happy birthday, over 20,000 kilometers. Whee! Same but different. And I'm referring to the sound of McLaren. Oh no, he lost his engine. Hey, hey.
Hey.
taxi. You paint on the wall, nice. Had fun?
Woohoo! Sure.
Well, that didn't sound too convincing.
No, it was amazing.
Good. Car spotting on the go. Just in time, starts raining again. Fresh supply of water?
Yep. Next week we should be getting something really, really fun.
What? Oh, come on, don't tease me like that.
It's good for both this car and washing every car.
Oh, some super soaker.
We're gonna get a filter.
Filter?
So we can make DI water.
Oh, cool. Keys in the car. We just did 2 kick flips and Brunchen, but that's it.
I already have an invoice for that, I saw it.
Okay. But you know, it's spectators again there, so we had to show off.
No, of course.
Yes, that's how we do it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
Amazing, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
Veel plezier, hè?
Ja, dankjewel.
So these are the guys that I went out first with for 4 laps, and now they came back after someone else had the car and they said, we want more. That's how awesome Polo is. That's why I'm also will be doing taxi with it, because it's just like so damn awesome. I mean, of course, we also have M3 as a taxi, not on the track day though, but regularly, so you could go for that, but come on, Polo, 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 Polo.
Hold on your flip-flops, Rick. Sorry? Hold on your flip-flops.
Extra lightweight.
Yeah.
So you had fun?
It's superb, yeah, it really was.
Up to 3.
Ooh. Was that the first lap?
Yep.
Okay. Wow. Now that's awesome. I want to lap that. Are you cold, Tim?
Freezing.
That's why you're putting gloves on.
And my aircon as well.
Okay.
Yeah. Go, go, go.
Ooh.
Why?
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 Because you can put it in your face.
9.
No? Okay. I can rub it over my phone so it will be disinfected.
Go do your thing somewhere else.
Was good? You still have a flip-flops on, so that's good.
But I was trying to keep the weight down.
Ah, okay. Ooh, nice. You loved it?
Yes, perfect.
How many laps in total now today?
We did 3 each.
Oh,
Yes.
cool.
That's
1
6.
with instruction and 2 without instruction.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
With instruction was better.
Yeah.
Nah.
That instructor was shit. So bad.
I mean, I have a sad face, but the
Yeah.
mask so you don't see it. So. That's dirty. I guess we should clean it up.
You happy with the day, Tim? Oh, sorry for this time.
No.
No, I'm not Diana. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Completely free of foam.
Oh, can't wash car.
Oh.
Can't do it. Can't do it.
Oh.
No.
To get a new GT2.
Sack him. Get him sacked. Is that better? Is that better, Pete? Can you just shut that off for me?
that alright, yeah? Cool, right.
This side is not.
Oh no!
Oh no! There we go.
That was your last mistake. Would you like me to hold the camera for you while you wash the cars? Yes, I got you. There you go.
Yeah.
Got you. That's it.
Well, I guess that's it for today's vlog. See you guys tomorrow on track with the full layouts, GP and Nordschleife and Diana. Oh, why? You don't trust me. Some things never change, and luckily Nürburgring and Apex is one of them. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, weekend, week, month, year to a certain extent. And thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye! Full Magnum PI. And look who I found.
Oh, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm very good. It's good to be back.
Good, yeah.
Long
We're going
journey.
to get some food, huh?
Food vlog.
Food vlog, food shot. And more on cars than you tomorrow. And here's the difference. Simple car, not a simple burger. Very simple burger, not so simple cars.
I like simple food.
Yeah.
Well, it gives me time to keep focused on like work and videos and everything else.